This is a brand new 2014 Lexus IS 250. This car has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Features include an 8-speaker stereo system, alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.